Hey people on the internet, today I'll be talking about the foundation stone of all data structures. An array is nothing fancy but a bunch of things placed together which are identical in nature, like books in a shelf. There can be different dimensions in an array, like this word is an array of different letters and symbols in one line, as you can move in one direction left and right. That is a 1D array. These people are moving in a 2D array because at any point you can move to two directions. This can be further extended to a 3D array. You can consider a colored image as a 3D array because it obviously is a 2D array of pixels, but each pixel is a 1D array of colors, red, green and blue. Theoretically, you can have an array of infinite dimensions, but it is not possible in practice because with each dimension, the computational and storage expense increases proportionally. Let's do a thought experiment. To understand this concept, imagine you go to a library and you are told to count the number of books in the first row of the first shelf. That is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Assuming you take exactly 1 second to count any number, no matter how big that number is. This task took you like 5 seconds. Now you are told to count the number of books in all rows in a shelf. That will take a little more time, but that is still easy. Now count the number of books in all shelves in the library, and then count each page in each book on all shelves. Okay, it will take like a day or two of continuous labor, but you can eventually count it. But then you have to count each word in each page of each book in all shelves. Let's just pause for a bit and do some math. Let's say there are 5 books in each row, there are 10 rows in each shelf, and there are 100 shelves in total in the library, and assuming there are 60,000 words on average in a book, this task would take you 300 million seconds. That's roughly 10 years of your life doing pointless things. The point is, the complexity of an array increases with its dimension, and this is true for number of things in each array. The time taken by a computer or a person to go through each item in an array is directly proportional to the number of items in that array. In the next video, which will be releasing soon, we'll be talking about some properties of an array, and we'll be learning a simple algorithm to search an item in an array, and we will be doing some coding and comparing how complexity increases with dimension and size of the array. If you have any feedback or query, you can leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe and like, and also press that bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video on this channel. And bye.